I actually came from the fire service. Okay, so I kind of have a passion for this type of work. Honestly, when I saw the product, how it performs, I was just blown away. I had no sales experience. I had never sold anything in my life. This is an opportunity. I'm not going to let it go. I'm going to learn how to be a sales guy. That was 3 years ago, and now I'm up to the point of being a regional sales leader. For anybody that's looking for an opportunity to where there's no ceiling on what you can accomplish, nobody's going to tell you no more overtime or it's raining today, so we're not going to work. You're never going to get that with this company. The sky is the limit. Your own personal development, your growth, it is entirely up to you. And you can make some serious money. Just go make it happen. My name is Chance English. I'm a regional sales leader. I basically take care of Kansas, Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas, all the way out to Arizona. You got a pretty big territory.